Welcome to the new video. Artificial intelligence. AI involves using computers to do things that traditionally require human intelligence. AI can process large amounts of data in ways that humans cannot. Examples of artificial intelligence in our daily life. Travel and navigation. We might have used navigation services or others to find our way through at some point in our lives. For many, it is part of their daily lives. Whether using maps for navigation or using a taxi hire service like Uber, you are using AI-enabled services to travel from one place to another. Smartphone apps. Imagining our lives without mobile phones does sound to be a challenge. Different applications on our mobiles have become an integral part of our daily lives. Many of these applications are based on AI. Built-in smart assistants on our phones like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant are the more obvious examples of AI that most of us are aware of and use. More mobile technology platforms are developing solutions that use AI for managing different aspects of the device like battery management, event suggestions, etc. One of the standard features, like using a portrait mode on the phone, also uses AI. Social media feeds. Check out applications on your smartphones to feel the presence of AI within various social media apps. Whether it is your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or other platforms, what you see and do on these applications is, to a large extent, influenced by machine learning. AI controls the feeds that you get to see while browsing through these platforms or the notifications you receive. It takes into consideration your tastes and preferences, your history, and imprint on SM, etc., to curate the information to transmit feeds that you find more relevant and are inclined to see. Advertisements. How many times have you wondered, looking at an online ad, I was thinking about buying this product? It is AI at work. There is no magic here wherein AI is reading your mind. Instead, it is keeping track of what you do online. The products you browse on various shopping sites or search engines are tracked, and advertisements related to these products are fed to you. AI also uses information related to demographics, like your age, gender, profession, etc., to determine the adverts of products that most likely are your preference. This is becoming more relevant, with many businesses using digital marketing tools to target their preferred customers. Smart cars. Another area where AI is increasing its presence in our daily lives is smart cars. Not only are companies like Tesla at the forefront of using automation in vehicles, but many of the car manufacturers are also looking at integrating AI with automobiles to provide seamless services of various technologies that you use. Music and video streaming. While YouTube recommendations and suggested playlists on music apps have been around for some time, one can see these recommendations becoming more relevant to your likes as time goes on. This is AI at work, which tracks the videos and the music you listen to most and come up with suggestions relating to the same. Various variants like artists, genre, etc., are factored in to provide recommendations on these streaming services. Many of these recommendations are those which you are unlikely to know, helping you watch or listen to newer content. Smart input. Are you wondering where AI is used in input? No need to look farther beyond your own mobile device. Typing out text has become more comfortable with the integration of AI, wherein it predicts words, phrases, and emoticons based on your regular usage and style of writing. This is beyond the predictive test used in earlier mobile phones, with the suggestions being more relevant to the context and your style. Few of the mail apps provide suggestions for subjects and, in many instances, the auto-completion text based on the sentence you are typing. Finance services. Banks are one of the domains that have adopted technological inventions sooner than most other fields. Banking has now moved on from the need to go to a physical space to conduct the operations from your mobile. Banks use AI in many areas, including detecting any fraudulent activity, analyzing the investment trends of customers, providing customer services, etc. Have you ever received a notification from a bank when you do a transaction from a new device? This is a case of AI being used to detect any potential fraud. The notifications received from banks and financial institutions regarding their services and products are examples of AI in understanding your preferences, requirements, and financial strength to suggest relevant products. Conclusion: AI is helping humans to become more productive and live a better life. We should appreciate that instead of considering it as a competition. Like, subscribe and share.